Hello everyone, in this video I will review Botpress. Botpress is an AI-powered chatbot development platform designed to help businesses build conversational agents with minimal coding. It's especially useful for creating customer support bots, lead capture assistants, and internal automation tools. When you start with Botpress, you can use its drag-and-drop visual flow builder to design conversation paths. It also supports natural language understanding and NLU, allowing bots to handle more human-like interactions. You can either write your own intents and entities or integrate third-party models to boost accuracy. One of its key strengths is how customizable it is. Developers can create complex logic with custom code, connect to APIs, and even host it on their own servers. For non-technical users, the platform provides templates and guided flows to simplify bot creations. Botpress is an open source at its core, with a cloud version of those who want hosted solutions. That makes it flexible and scalable, especially for developers and teams who want full control over their bot's infrastructure and data. In terms of legitimacy, Botpress is a real and trusted platform, definitely not a scam. It's used by many companies worldwide and has an active development community. It's worth trying if you're looking for a powerful, customizable, and open-source chatbot builder. However, beginners might face a bit of learning curve if they want to go beyond basic flows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.